Alright guys, welcome back to the next Math Notes video. This is section 2.2.1, describing association. So we're talking about scatter plots again. This time instead of line and best fit, we're talking about associations. Let's go ahead and zoom in here on this definition. Alright, so an association or relationship between two numerical values can be described by its form, direction, strength, and outliers. The shape of the pattern is called the form of the association. So that can be linear. In this case, we're just going to call it linear or non-linear. There's other names for the forms, but for now we'll stick to those. The form can be made of clusters of data. If one variable increases as the other variable increases, the direction is said to be positive. So when the x goes up, the y goes up, you get a positive association. If one variable increases as the other variable decreases, there's said to be a negative association. So if we increase our x and the y's go down, then we get a negative association. Also get a negative slope. So positive slope, positive association. Negative slope, negative association. If there's no apparent pattern in the scatter plot, then the variables have no association. So let's take a look at some examples here. Here we have a negative linear correlation. That is, we can come in here and draw a line. The line would have a negative slope, so there's a negative linear association. Over here we have a positive linear association with clusters, so we can fit a line through there. And we can also see that we get some little bunches of data here and here, and those things are called clusters. And then we have a negative nonlinear association. So a negative nonlinear association, if we wanted to put a line through here, you see that's a curve. It's not a straight line. This could be an exponential function. We don't quite know, but it's nonlinear, okay? The strength is a description of how much scatter there is in the data away from the line of best fit. So in other words, the closer the dots are to that line of best fit, the stronger the correlation. So here we have a strong negative association because our dots are right on that line of best fit. Here we have a moderate negative association. There's still a clear negative association. They're going down generally, but they're not quite on the line. And here we have a weak positive association. So we can see that there is some pattern to the data. There's generally, it's generally moving up, but they're pretty far away from the line. So that's going to be a weak positive association. So an outlier is a piece of data that does not seem to fit the overall pattern. There's one obvious outlier in the association graphed at the right. So here we have a nonlinear relationship. We have a curve to our data there, and this guy is the outlier. He's popping out. He doesn't fit with the rest of the data. We'll learn some more formal definitions for outliers in the coming courses. So to leave things off with you guys, take a look at these four graphs I have here, A, B, C, and D, and describe the association in each of the following graphs as strong positive, weak positive, no association, weak negative, strong negative, or nonlinear. And I didn't include moderate. You may want to throw in your own, another one there, like a moderate positive and a moderate negative, if you feel that's a more appropriate choice. But I want you to explain why you chose your answer and be prepared to talk about that in class. All right, have a good day.